court considers that in conformity with its obligations under the Genocide Convention, Israel must immediately halt its military offensive and any other action in the Rafah governorate which may inflict on the Palestinian group in Gaza conditions of life that could bring about its physical destruction in whole or in part.
In a landmark decision on Friday, the International Court of Justice, that is ICJ, issued an order demanding Israel immediately cease its military assault on Rafah, a city in southern Gaza where over 1 million people sought refuge amidst dire conditions. Citing an immediate risk to Palestinians, the top United Nations court highlighted that over 800,000 individuals were forced to flee Rafah since Israeli forces initiated ground operations in an area previously designated as a safe zone. Judge Nawaf Salam, president of the ICJ, criticized Israel's failure to adequately address concerns regarding its offensive, noting the catastrophic living conditions faced by Palestinians in the region, which have only worsened. Despite lacking enforceable power, the ICJ's ruling adds pressure on Israel, already facing mounting international criticism over its actions. The Israeli military has continued its offensive launched in response to Hamas' October 7 attacks, despite stalled ceasefire talks and domestic pressure on Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to secure the release of hostages held in Gaza. Salam reiterated the ICJ's concerns for the safety of these hostages and called for their immediate, unconditional release. The ICJ's order follows an urgent plea by South Africa, part of its broader case accusing Israel of genocidal acts during its prolonged assault on Gaza, a charge denied by Israel and the US. While the case may take years to resolve, South Africa sought interim measures to protect Palestinians. In response to the ruling, Israeli officials, including Netanyahu, are consulting legal advisors. However, Israel has indicated it will not comply with the court's order to end the conflict with Hamas. The ruling coincides with recent developments at the International Criminal Court, where the chief prosecutor sought arrest warrants for Netanyahu Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar, and others over alleged war crimes. On Friday, the IDF announced it had retrieved the bodies of 3 hostages in the area of Jabalia camp in northern Gaza as part of those operations. More than 35,000 people have been killed in the enclave, according to local health authorities, since Israeli forces began their offensive following Hamas' October 7 attacks, in which some 1,200 people were killed and around 250 others taken hostage, according to Israeli officials, marking a major escalation in a decades-long conflict.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.